Hey guys, welcome back. Now everybody needs a break every once in a while, so we're actually on vacation at the beach. So I have a really quick, easy DIY video that just about anybody can do while they're at the beach. So stick around and check it out. You want to sit in it? Here, you try it. Here, you try it. You want to sit in there? Here you go. Boop. And you lean back. There, is that comfy? Here, I'll give you some tips. Oh, your hands are. Brush them off. Go brush.
No.
Brush them off. Here you go. Alright guys, that just about finishes up the video. Just wanted to do something fun while I'm on vacation to keep up with my one video per week. Now if you guys like this video, hit that like button down below. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Now we ended up being one chair short for some reason when we came to the beach, so I actually needed to make one of these. I remembered making some as a kid and I thought it'd be a great idea to share it with you guys as well. So I hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.